Let's get a quick video of what the car sounds like inside the car. So, stock manifolds goes to the cat, and then that's it. It stops right after the cat. So, normally at 1,000 RPMs, when I got the stock exhaust on, you can barely tell the car's on. But let's see what a little few revs. It definitely sounds mean as hell. And I like it. And I'm mad I haven't been able to drive it so I can see what it'll do on the street. Woo! Silence 305 got some, you know, a little bit of I mean, last time we drove it is alright for, you know, a 30 or 305, but I'm sorry. Maybe not 30. Alright, to the next video. Hopefully the next video is it running and driving on the street. Fuel gauge still don't work. Temp looking good. Battery level looking good. Oil pressure looking good. What you doing over there, speedometer? Tachometer? No, speedometer. My dumb ass. RPM gauge needs to be installed. What's gonna be the speedometer gauge here, fuel gauge here. But nothing happens when you like to know it all. This is from a 92 Camaro, as you can see. But this was like $20 for a 3-pod, so. Or I could have paid almost $100 for a 3-pod. Which one do you think I did? Alright, last rev and then we out.